Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video. All right, y'all, here's the blonde hair. I know y'all like, Sharika, please. But this is how it looks combed out. This side is not combed out yet, so I'm gonna show y'all on camera. I haven't put any products or anything on it just yet. This is a very beautiful wig. Like, look how the color blend is. Y'all know I'm not a blonde girl like this, but these colors together are really pretty. So I'm gonna style it on camera for y'all so y'all can see that y'all can make this work, okay? The lace is a 5x5, so it doesn't go fully across the head, but it's big if you're into this. Some of the girls are into it being this big, which I think is really pretty. So I'll take my wax stick just to make sure that it stays down in the middle. And like I said, if y'all wear blonde hair, get this wig. This is a very, very nice wig. I love the colors. See, it looks a little darker once you put the product on it. I can't find my comb, my small tooth comb, so I can part this in the middle. Deep parting, okay? And we're gonna just spray the curls. Look at that. Look how pretty these curls are. So pretty. So this is one side that doesn't have the water on it, and then this is the side that does. Very, very pretty. All right, now I'm gonna start looking like somebody once I spray this stuff on it, because it's too big for me. Hold this down a little bit. Look at that. Look how pretty this is. This is a very, very nice wig, y'all. Like, look at that. So nice. So soft. This is some really pretty hair. This one is just like the black one that I had. I low-key like this. This is so cute. It made my skin look so bright. This is really pretty though. Like I said, if you guys wear blonde hair, I would highly recommend this unit. It's so nice. The hair is so soft. Really, really pretty. And this again is the 5x5. So if you guys don't really know how to do the full frontals, this one would be perfect. It's really easy, low maintenance unit, breathable, very, very nice unit. So I will have all the information along with the discount code in the description box.